And now, ladies and gentlemen, the best 11. The best 11. Of course, in football, we have 11 players. 11 ba mbere beza ni bande kano kanya. Munyemerere rero kano kanya manze teri ntambwe dusabe kano kanya na Secretary General wa Ferwafa kabari bwana Boni Mugabe atambuke yegera imbere hariya kuri podium agiye kudufasha kutumenyera 11 beza babayeho muri ino season. The Secretary General of Ferwafa is going to help us acknowledge the best 11 of the Ikipe League 2025-2026. Aragenda dusomera amazina bafite uko babiteguye hariya gahunda mwihera ijisho hariya kuri screen.
Mwiriwe, good evening, bonsoir. So the best 11 for the 2025-2026 BK Pro League. We start with the best goalkeeper, James Desire Bienvenu from Chiovu Sports Club.
If he's not around, then
Next is Mustafa Mohamed Abdelgadi from Al Hilal Sports Club. Next is Daba Soboba from Al Malik Sports Club. Next is El Haji Madik Kane from Al Hilal Sports Club. Next on the lineup is Joseph Sake from Mukula. Next is Gilles Lazafimalo Femahosina from Al Melek Sports Club. Then we have Gilmudisha Jean-Claude, Al Hilal Sports Club.
Amashyi kuri Girumugisha.
So, who do you think will be your best strikers? Monsieur Sheikh Jibril Watala, APR FC, and Mr. Bonyangami Taiba from Marine FC.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are the presents among the first 11, and of course, to help us award these gentlemen here, I'm asking kindly for Mr. Desire Nitanga, the Ferwafa Commissioner in charge of competitions, to help us step on stage. Mr. Gilbert Muvunyi, the Director General of Sports Development from the Ministry of Sports, and Mr. Kenneth Kazoba, the Vice President of Star Times Rwanda, step forward and help us award these 11 players. Dusabe rero ko protocol butambuke itware iryo bihembo byabo bakinnyi mu biduhera abayobozi ubundi bibahe nabo ahangaha. twongera amashyi menshi cyane aba basore rero kuza muri 11 ubanzamo ntibyoroha kandi barabikorereye cyane rero.
Give them one more round of applause, please.
Mwegereho imbere kugira ngo dufate iyo foto, an historical photo with the best 11 of Rwanda Premier League BK Pro League Award 2025-2026. Thank you so much.